This 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in blue pearl color is fully inspected, fully reconditioned with 141,000 kilometers. Equipped with 5.7 Hemi engine with 8-speed automatic transmission, 4x4 quad cab, and it has 20-inch black wheels, Class 4 hitch receiver, backup camera, also equipped with premium cloth split bench, and it has powered window, leather wrapped steering wheel, powered seats, and towing brake control. Fully inspected, fully reconditioned with 141,000 kilometers. Give us a call today at 780-594-2277. You can also visit us and shop at home at www.coldlakechrysler.com.